Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an alarm system for your 2x2 flush door. If you haven't checked out that video, you will need to check it out to make this tutorial work. So the first thing you want to do is place an observer by the pistons, either choice. Then make a redstone pack going out, place it in a repeater, go here and place another repeater. Then you should make your redstone clock. And from that point on, you will build out and put a repeater, and then you will need bells. You can use no blocks or bells. It doesn't really matter. Space them out by one each. And continue building from this. And let's test it out. So you're going to want to start up your... You're going to open your door by pressing your button. And there's no possible way of stopping that unless you break the clock. If you want to do 2 layers or maybe make it louder, place observers over the bells and place more bells. This will cause double alarm, which is more efficient to catch people and thieves and trespassers. If you're still not satisfied, you can put more observers in here and place more bells, which will be very loud, very alarming to the person who trespasses on your property. Now, I'd recommend this for hardcore, survival, SMPs, hard and normal because it's efficient. And like if something comes in your door or something, or somebody trespasses and tries to steal your stuff and you have very valuable stuff, once they hit the door button, it triggers the alarm system and you'll be notified right away that someone's trespassing onto your property. And they might be scared and try to leave the scene as fast as they could. That's today's video. Thank you for watching.